Hello engineers, in this video we will examine service connections in Azure pipelines. If you enjoy the content I create and you want to support me for free, press the like button and subscribe on my channel. Service connections is the way that we can use in order to connect our Azure DevOps installation with various services. Most of the Azure services have built-in service connections already provided so that you can quickly interact with them, but you can also connect with other services that are not Azure related. You can locate service connections under Project Settings in the Pipelines tab where it says Service Connections. There you will need to go and press New Service Connection, and from there you can get the default built-in service connection that Azure provides. Except from the built-in service connection that you can locate there, you can also find new service connections that are created based on extensions that you have installed. Let's see, for example, a custom extension that I have installed inside my Azure DevOps organization. You can find extensions under Organization Settings, and there you can find that I have installed Sneak Security Scan extension. This extension is useful and needs to be installed in order to have the service connection, which is called Sneak Authentication. Sneak is a DevSecOps tool that we can use in order to scan our projects for vulnerabilities. In order to report our results in Sneak Cloud, we will need to use the Sneak Authentication service connection, and you can find it by installing the appropriate extension. As a result, you can find more service connection when installing the appropriate extensions that are provided from the vendors. You can also use the built-in service connection for various services, and we can now go and examine a service connection that I have created in a pipeline. So as we can see in the pipeline that I have created, I have a SonarQube prepare task. This task requires a service connection in order to communicate with SonarQube installation. My SonarQube installation service connection is called Shard Sonar, and you can find it in my service connection. There I have configured my SonarQube installation, the IP and the password that is needed in order to communicate with my SonarQube. Then you can use this service connection in your task and report the results that you want from the specific task. Another important thing to mention is that we can share our service connection across various projects. In order to do that, I have to go in the service connection and then press the security tab. Then there I can find which user have specific permissions for this service connection and which pipeline are authorized to use them. I can restrict permissions in order to do it more secure, or I can have it available from all pipelines. In project permission, you can find the specific projects that use this service connection, and you can add more projects. For example, by pressing the add project, I can find my projects and add a new project in the service connection. Then I'm able to locate this specific service connection from the AKS demo project also. In general, service connections are a very powerful tool in Azure DevOps in order to communicate with various services and also deploy your applications in various cloud components. However, be sure to have the appropriate permissions for your service connection across your various projects.